Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Infinite Trade. My name is Robin and let's begin our Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. So before we dive into the analysis, let's understand what happened in the market today. So if you remember, yesterday I had mentioned that if we open flat and if we break this particular area, which was 37,780, I said your first target would be 38,050, and then if it sustains above, then it may reach 38,300. But I had informed you that being a Wednesday and Wednesdays are usually volatile, so I asked you to book profit just at 38,050, and that target was easily achieved. But what was surprising in the market today was this particular sell-off. I did not expect this, and this was truly a shock for me also. But since this is market and we have to switch our view, switch our direction as per the market. So now what do we see here is definitely there is a good amount of profit booking or a sell-off that is coming from 38,000 levels in Bank Nifty as of now, and similarly in Nifty also. 17,850 to 900 is acting as a very good resistance, so we have to keep that in mind, and let's do our analysis based on that. So let's move on to participant wise open interest first. Okay, so this is our participant wise open interest. So if we look at this, something is very clear, that is 12,264 call sell and near about 25,000 put buy, which means their FIs are expecting some more down move tomorrow. And if we look at pros position, 1,47,000 call sell and near about 1 lakh put buy, so even they are bearish. So this looks like more of a one-sided movement tomorrow. But tomorrow being an expiry day or a Thursday, let's see if we get that sort of moment or not. But anyways, what we figure out from this is we have to plan a bearish trade. Bullish trade is you can't think of at the moment. You just have to plan a bearish trade. So how and when we will plan is something that we'll look at. Now if we look at the open interest, okay, so this is the option chain. So call writing did not happen that significant today. Okay, this is something which you must keep in mind. And if I'm just zooming this to show you. So if you see 23%, 14%, 47%, so call writing is not that significant. But what is interesting here is there was some good put writing that was seen initially during the first half of the market, and the ITM puts were being sold, but later because of the fall, the put writers had to short cover. So now what do we get to see from the chart is definitely today market fell, so put writers must have exited their position, and call writing is there but not that significant that we can change in that we can see it from change in open interest. So tomorrow being a Thursday, being an expiry day, definitely we'll look at call writing happening. So that is what the plan should be. So now let's go back to the chart to see how we can plan our trade tomorrow. So this is Bank Nifty at the moment. And Bank Nifty, if you see, if you remember, we discussed this level, which is 37,400. So we were planning that, in case if this level breaks, we'll take a trade for a target of 37,000 to 37,050. So now we did not get this chance so far, but there is a possibility we may get this chance tomorrow. So tomorrow, in case if we open flat, that is within this area, and if we break this anytime, so being a Thursday, not necessary that it should be before 10:30, it can happen anytime. So you can enter here. Your immediate target would be this place, which is 37,050 to 37,000. So this should be your trade plan for tomorrow if we open flat. And in case if we open somewhere, say in this area, which is around above 37,600 and below 37,750, then also this is a very good place to take a short trade. Your first target would be this place, and being a Thursday, we may see market moving something like this, but in the second half we may see the market going down. So this is the place where we can buy put or sell call, or this is a place where we can buy put. So now we have strong resistances. See, if you see big red candles at this place, so we have strong resistances. So definitely we are not going to plan any call options. That is totally omitted. And in case, so definitely I'm not expecting a very big gap up. In case if we see a gap up somewhere here, then the market will turn volatile. So you may have to plan a sideways market here, but other than that, this entire area should be only be used for buying put or selling call options. So this should be a plan for Bank Nifty tomorrow. So now let's look at Nifty. Okay, so this is Nifty. So Nifty had made a clear-cut double top here. If you see, this is a double top. This was the neckline. And in Nifty also, we were planning that, if we close below this, we can go for selling, and our target should be this. But what happened yesterday was Nifty did not break this level and it went up. But today, if you see, it has closed below that level. So this itself shows that it is clear cut under selling pressure. So tomorrow, if we open flat, so that is within this area, and if we continue to go down, or if we break today's low, immediately we can we can buy a put here. Your target should be 17,530 to 17,500. Okay, so you should book your profits here. And in case if we gap up somewhere here and here again, if you see market going something like this and then coming down, you can again buy a put here. So this should be your plan. So similarly in this also, if we see a significant gap up somewhere in this area, market will turn volatile, but we are not expecting this. So market should trade within this level, 17,750 to 17,500 is the range that I'm expecting for tomorrow. So definitely we can plan a bearish trade, no upside trade, at least for tomorrow. So I hope things are clear, and we should definitely be expecting a good profit tomorrow, being an expiry. Thank you for watching, and let's meet tomorrow in a new video. Thank you. Bye-bye.